Hey guys, welcome to BRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share with you in this video ladyfinger rice, which is very simple and tasty recipe. Every day our homemakers used to struggle for the breakfast recipes, and we used to scratch our head every day in the morning. So let's not do that. Here is the recipe, very simple and very healthy recipe. Please try to prepare at home and let me know in the comment section how really felt with the taste. And now let's get into the video. So pan is ready. Just added 5 to 6 red chilies and half cup of coriander seeds and half cup of peanuts and 2 tablespoon of chana dal and 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of black gram seeds and just 1/4 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. These all seeds you just have to sort it well until it turns light golden color. This will really release a great aroma from this, so then we can cut off the stove and just keep aside to cool down this all the mixture. Yes, now it is ready. Look at the color, how it has turned. This is the time where you have to cool down the mixture, and then we'll just add it to the mixie jar. But now before that, at same pan I just added a 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil, and then I just chopped all the lady fingers with the very small pieces, so that each and every bite of rice or each scoop of rice, you can just feel the lady finger also. So I just made very small pieces as your wish. If you want, you can make big pieces also, but here I just added to the pan and just sort well. As it turns little it really decreases the quantity here, because as we really, or as soon as we see the lady finger, our mouth is watering, right? It is the one of the best vegetable, and we really love to have all the varieties, all the recipes which we prepare with this lady finger. So this is look how it is turning. Wow, so awesome, right? And once it is done, it will gonna add this to, yes, no, just add it to the mixer jar, those things. And just I'm gonna add 1 knob of garlic and salt and a little 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Yes, now we'll just make a fine powder. It is ready now. Okay, now just we are gonna add it directly. Look, the lady finger, how would I fry it? Same way you have to do it. And now I'm gonna add the mixie jar powder. So all the masala powder I just added to the. Now slightly you just fry for 2 minutes. Then after that you can just the boiled rice, very fresh rice, you just add it. Uh, the morning rice only you do it. It is really good for our health. And just mix well. And now you can just taste it, and you can just add a salt, mix well. And this is how finally it looks, guys. It is so colorful and very healthy and tasty recipe. I hope this recipe is going to help all of you to prepare the breakfast, and it is very easy also, and it is very tasty also. So let's catch up with the new video tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.